Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Audible membership when you're using computer. So I'm on Audible.co.uk. However, I'm guessing it's audible.com if you're in the rest of the world. And basically, once you've logged into your account, go up to this Hi Andrew section, because that's my name, and then go down to account details. And you can actually see straight away your membership. I'm on Audible Premium Plus, and it says your next bill date is the 27th of this month. So essentially, you've got a few different options down here. You can go into switch membership, and it will basically give you the option to change your membership, maybe downgrade or upgrade. From there, you can press pause membership, or if you just want to stop paying, on this plan right here, it's £7.99 per month. So it is quite a lot if I'm not using it like I am right now. So what I want to go to is cancel membership. From there, it basically says if you cancel, you'll lose your credits and member benefits at the end of your final billing period. You can pause or switch membership instead to use them later, or scroll down to cancel. Keep your credits when you pause your membership. So you can pause your membership right there and keep your credits. However, if you do cancel, you will lose those credits. But if you reactivate your account in the future, essentially you will be able to access those credits again and get access to the member benefits. However, I'm not really bothered about that. So I'm going to go down here, this button in sort of yellow orange, continue cancelling. And then from there, Audible asks to actually let them know why you're cancelling. You can give them a reason down here on the left-hand side in the tick boxes. I'm going to select I don't use it enough because that's correct for me. And then I'm going to continue cancelling. And now it says, please take a quick look at the offers below to see if any of them would help. As a last resort, Audible gives you a bunch of different options right here to keep you as a paying customer. You can even get 50% off Premium Plus, $3.99 for the first 3 months, $7.99 thereafter, but you can cancel anytime. You can pause your membership for 30, 60, 90 days. You can get a free credit as well, but I'm not bothered about that. And once you're ready, press this button down here, cancel anyway, and you will have completely cancelled your membership on Audible. So guys, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.